The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Canadian County including Reno, Oklahoma until 4:15 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Reno moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Text: take cover now. Steady, not flashing. Emergency: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Repeat: a tornado warning has been issued for Reno, Oklahoma. Stay tuned to local media for further updates.
Hey.